I was surprised to see some breakdancing red phalaropes on David Attenborough's new vehicle, Frozen Planet.
Red phalaropes. They've flown all the way from the tropics to feed in these rich Arctic waters. They stir up the tiny creatures that are now flourishing here with a special spinning dance.
Yeah, I'm loving the moves. I wonder what tricks the penguins have got up their sleeves. Is that it? What a lazy bunch.
The most southerly of all penguins, they're returning to the Antarctic continent with stomachs full of krill.
Take it back! Not that type of penguin! The thing about penguins is, because they live in a cold climate, they're really impressed by a gas... They're really impressed by a gas bottle.
Their tents should be secure on the permanent sea ice, but they're still miles from the ocean, where they hope to film. You would get acquainted with anything of a familiar shape and size.
Wow, a gas bottle! London, the inside story now on Channel 5, which told the behind-the-scenes story of London life. Now, what I like about London is that you can bump into all sorts of top people.
Westminster contains some of the most expensive real estate in the world. And one of its priciest and most prestigious areas is St James's. This is the stomping ground of the Queen, Prince Charles and Highways Inspector Pat Murphy.
Yeah, big fan of Highways Inspector Pat Murphy. Yes, along with Environmental Health Officer Sarah Quinn, who was in Westminster inspecting a calf.
But Sarah has just spotted something else. 6 propane gas canisters left perched on the landing.
Can you imagine if one of those fell down these stairs?
There'll be 5 propane gas canisters left perched on the landing, and if one propane gas canister should accidentally fall...